Now we will see the real world examples of successful industrial IoT implementation, where those has happened in the industry sectors and from which companies. We are seeing here an article of the IoT world, which says and explains how Rolls-Royce has exploits more Internet of Things data and built something on top of that. Rolls-Royce is a British engineering company, has successfully implemented industrial IoT technology to improve the efficiency and reliability of their jet engines. And by installing sensors in the engines, Rolls-Royce can collect data on engine performance and use predictive analytics to identify potential problems before they happen, before they occur. So this way, they reduce the downtime and maintenance cost. And by doing so, they have more positive things and benefits on their selling of the Rolls-Royce. And here it's a very explanation article, and it gives you more information about how they have achieved and how they were doing this. And this is a very good examples of the industry utilizing the industrial IoT. Another another example is ThyssenKrupp. And ThyssenKrupp is a German multinational conglomerate, has implemented industrial IoT technology in their elevators. They produce elevators to improve maintenance and reduce downtime the same way as Rolls-Royce has done. The company has equipped their elevators with sensors that collect data on usage pattern and potential maintenance issues. It helps you to identify the most commonly happens, occurred, or before happens, or could happen as a predictive measures for the products that this company is producing, is providing. And this data is then analyzed to identify patterns and predict when maintenance is required, what is needed to be changed, replaced as a part of the elevators and so on. And with like this, they reduce the downtime and improving the overall reliability of their elevators. And this way is very, it makes more efficient the processes of producing such products. And here is an example of how they do those utilization of industrial IoT by increased transparency in materials trading, cut costs and downtime. It helps very much to increase efficiency and productivity of this company in the industry. Another one example is John Deere. John Deere is a leading manufacturer. Let me open the article which talks about John Deere IoT utilization in smart farming. They produce also trucks for farming and provide for the farmers to work their land. And as I said, John Deere is a leading manufacturer of agricultural equipment and has implemented industrial IoT technology in their farming equipment to improve crop yields and reduce waste. By equipping the equipment with sensors and data analytics, John Deere can collect data on soil moisture, temperature, and different parameters of environmental factors to optimize planting and harvesting, reducing waste, and improve crop yields. And this is a very good example how John Deere turns out to make IoT to make smart farming reality. It focuses on IoT by their equipment with a sensor which collects data and sends to the central application or system. And with analyzing those data, they can have more predictive and more planning, harvesting, and environmental factors to optimize planting and harvesting like that. With this, we conclude the lab.